Okay, I'm going to show you how to make the tacos. Okay, so I have my Spanish rice there, just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and assemble my tacos like this. Okay, and you just basically open them up, your tacos, gently open them up. Okay, and you just, oops, got some cheese. Some more cheese in there. And then some more cheese. Okay. So you have your cheese there. And then you have your so you have your shredded, your chiffonade. It's very thinly sliced, and you just want to put it in the tacos. Okay, I'm going to go back. So I have my guacamole mixture and I have my salsa. So I'll show you how to finish this off. Like that. Okay. Yep. Okay, and then I usually put more cheese on top. And the cheese has a mixture of cheeses plus the Parmesan. Not that fake stuff. And then I have some of my guacamole. Yep, like that. And then I'm gonna put that guacamole in here. Oh, there you go. Or the guacamole mixture. Then I will get some of my salsa. And pour that on there. The salsa. If you wanted to add some sour cream, you can. Basically, that's it. It's a nice little lunch. Yep. Yep, and that's it. Okay. That's how you dress a taco.